Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Tony the Tiger, the winner. What's up, bro? You're here today. I'm glad you're here today. Wow. Let's see here. What we got going on today, guys? What do we got going on? Let me just hide a couple things. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Oh, well. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. All right, sorry. Alrighty, guys. So let's look at the market today. Did you cop that account yet, Tony? Bro, why is it acting like that? Why does it say that? Oh, that's why. Ha ha ha. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Give me a second. Uno mas. No, Tony, you didn't buy it yet. Why not, bro? What's up, man? Why haven't you got the account yet? Okay, bet. Okay. All right, so let's look at the charts here. So this box right here, this is a 4-hour FEG. See how we tapped into it and then we're starting to reject from it. Okay, and we take this. Huh. Okay. And then yesterday we closed above this level, but not above this wick. So then today we came up, took out this top wick, and then started rejecting for the overnight session. But now we're tapping into this 4-hour FEG. Okay, so it looks like we're trying to bounce from it and go bullish. So we're looking at that for some direction. You can also pretty much see this being formed as well. So we're going to have a huge breakout somewhere, whether it's to the upside or the downside, but it's coming. It's definitely coming. It's definitely coming. I am going to really assume upside fundamentally, but yep. I assume down first and then up, make maybe like one more low or something, grab a little bit more liquidity and then push up. But right now we're just sitting in this range. We're sitting in a range. We're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. See how we're smaller here and then we're starting to get bigger. So something's about to happen. Something is building up, guys. Something is building up. All right. So we're at 9:22 a.m. Here is New York Open. Ruben was supposed to join. I'm still waiting for him to join. He'll probably join later, like 9:30 maybe or after. And our DOL. And right now, our DOL is sitting, or for sell side, sitting here and here. And if we inverse this 4-hour FEG, oh baby, I'm coming down. I'm going to be coming down. I'm looking to target maybe this New York Open. Maybe this New York Open. If we come down, then we have all of this liquidity to the side here to grab. All of that liquidity. So if we do come down and break here, this is a good area to target. This is 155 ticks. 155 ticks. If you guys were here yesterday, you guys know I only have a little bit more I need to pass my top step combine. So we have a retest here, guys. We have a retest here. Of New York Open. So I think I'm going to go ahead and jump in here, guys. I'm going to jump into some shorts. I'm targeting this low here. Wish I didn't even get into my... First TP will be here. First TP should be here, really. see this as a retest of New York Open just to grab some liquidity below and then maybe pump back up. So let's see what happens. Let's see it. Accept the risk. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, oh my God. Are you serious? I did it again. Oh, let's go. TP1 smacked, guys. Oh my God. Literally saw it. Let's go on down to TP2. Yeah, we're definitely going to hit this Asia low. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, don't tell me that, bro. Don't tell me that. Yeah, come on down. Wait, what? All right, well, I'm gonna get out of that. All right, I'm out of that. And I fucked up on my. Oh, my bad. I heard you entering. I can't talk for Steve, but wait till your trade is done. Yeah, it says you will need to connect to your microphone or camera before I can add you to the stream. So are you on your phone or something? But oh my god, I fucked up on that. I accidentally closed out of my copy trading, so I didn't even copy trade on my fucking account. So I'm still I'm still $40 away from passing. Fucking A. Fucking A. All right, well, let's see what happens. Because we're struggling to push lower here. Now it should work. All right. There we go. I added you. What's up, bro?
What's up? How you doing?
Ruben. Let's go.
You doing good?
Wait a minute. I don't know why I can't hear.
No.
Sometimes I can hear on this. Okay, maybe now I can.
You hear me now?
See. Shit. I don't know if you're talking, bro, but it's me.
Hello?
It's my laptop. It's my computer. Sometimes it just doesn't work for some reason. Hold on. Let me
Stream, can you hear me?
Let me see something.
Can you guys hear me? Shane, you hear me? I can hear you both, right? How are you doing today, Shane? There we go. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. Doing good. You bought like a bot, or you made it yourself? I can't hear you anymore. Okay.
I'm sad I can't hear you.
Oh, now I can hear you. You hear me?
I was wondering why I couldn't hear the music. Oh, maybe I can hear you now.
You know?
Oh yeah, I hear you now. Hell yeah.
Finally. Nice.
Hell yeah.
You're doing good?
I had something on mute. Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you, bro?
I'm good, bro. I had a hard trading week, but it's all right.
Really? It's
Yeah,
it's only Tuesday.
bro, I blew like 10 XFAs, but I full pot them, so it's not like I blow them because I can trade. I wanna do the quick way, let's say it like that, but sometimes fucks me up.
Yeah, right. The quick way really fucks up sometimes. I tried to pass the account yesterday during like Asia, and because I only had like $60. No, I fucked it up, man. I because I tried to do it the quick way, and yeah, I ended up. I mean, I only lost like $100, so it wasn't really anything. But yeah, I'm like $50 away from passing. So
nice. Yeah, just go for like 5 accounts at the time, and then copy trade them.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's like, but it's $250, it's not like it's gonna hurt that much.
What do you mean $250 for the account?
Like I buy 5 accounts and copy trade them,
Oh, on Apex.
On Top Step.
Oh, Top Step.
Yeah, that's.
Oh yeah, they do have it on sale for $50 or something, right?
No, it's normal, but you pay the activation fee after, so it's so low risk.
Oh right. Yeah, I really like Top Step. I'm really trying to get more Top Step accounts just because they don't have that threshold of how much you need to make after you pass. You can make
Yeah.
however much you want to make after you pass. They
Or
don't.
you can make 10,000 on each account and withdraw 2.5k. You know,
Yeah,
easily.
that's man. The day I do that, bro, I made it. I made it.
Yeah, that's my target for the next month. Another 10k month. Another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get like Ruben. Do you work, bro?
Nah,
Yeah. See, I'm gonna get like Ruben.
I mean I'm unemployed, but you know, trading
Yeah.
gives
Technically,
enough
it's your
to live
job.
from it, I guess.
Do you have
And
like
it's
a monthly
what?
goal?
Usually, like this month is shit. I only made 1.2k this month. But usually 2 to 3k.
Okay,
like
that's not bad.
what I want. But I want to go like 5-figure months. You know, consistently.
Right, man. Here in America, 2-3K a month is not enough.
In Germany as well, but I'm planning to go to Thailand with one of my friends, like Toby. I'm planning to go in like 3 months or something, 4 months, and then we live there. You know, it's so cheap to live there, and then you can really scale up, I guess you can say it like that.
Yeah, it's cheap as hell to live there, and in Bali.
Yeah, you have no tax, well, basically no tax, you know, so it's really nice. And it's in Germany, everyone is like mad, you know, everyone is not like happy. And I think in Thailand, I think the people are more like, how can you say it? They have more fun at living, you know what I mean? Kind of.
Yeah, I get it. I need to go because here in America they're so boring.
Yeah.
So
You're
boring.
Filipino or something, like, right?
No,
Philippines?
I'm half Chinese. And then my dad's Chinese, fully Chinese, and my mom, she's black, white, and Native American.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm a
Nice.
mutt.
What?
A mutt.
That's
Like
how
a
you call it?
yeah. You know how dogs are mixed? You call them mutts.
That's crazy.
What's your bias on the day?
Let me see. Gold long.
You want
Nasdaq.
longs?
Yeah, gold. I'm bullish, but I'm done for the day. I have one trade on my Forex account right now. That's going, and then Top Step. I just bought 5 new accounts, and they're already on 1.5k. You know, so I can't trade them anymore.
Nice.
So yeah.
What you bought those on Top Step?
Yeah. I only trade Top Step and my funded futures.
And MFF. Okay.
I think if you go for only one account, my funded futures is better because you have a bigger risk return on invest. You know, if you make one payout, because you spend, let's say, $130 and your first payout should be 1.2k, so you have nearly a 10 return on invest. You know, on Top Step you spend like $200 for the account. And if you go for 1.2k as well, you only have 6 return on invest, you know? So it's like, yeah.
Or do they not have activation fees or something?
No, they don't. And no consistency rule with the starter plus, so it's really good. And they pay out in, bro, 2 minutes, legit. Trust me. My last payout last week or 2 weeks ago, I don't know. Yeah, I think 2 weeks ago, bro, legit 5 minutes, not even more, or maybe less, I don't know.
Wow.
But you request and the money is instantly on your Wise account, like instantly, bro. Like,
wow, they're pretty.
It's really good.
Yeah, that is really good.
They have a lot of sales right now. It's worth to join their Discord and see at the active promotion channel. Right now it's you know, you can reactivate an account. Like when you blow it, you can reactivate it.
Yeah.
And if you buy an account right now with that code, you get a free retry, if that makes sense. So you can blow it and then use it again. So you basically get one try again.
So basically you get 2 accounts pretty much.
Basically. It's only for... And did you ever trade with my funded futures?
No, I've never used them before.
They have 50% discount for first try users, so you only pay, I don't know what it is, $70, $60, and you get 2 accounts basically. So that's really nice.
For a
50K.
50K. Okay.
But if you go for it, use the starter plus. Don't go for starter because they have consistency rule.
Oh, looks like,
What's up? Oh, we're breaking structure right now.
yeah, it looks like we're trying to go a little bit lower here.
Let me see higher time frame what happened there. I mean, we have a bearish SMT at the 50% level from the move, and now we're dropping here. I think we're bearish for now. Yeah.
Oh.
At your New York Open, there's a SMT, kind of. At that zone.
Let's see. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, ES really pushing up here. Retesting, dropping lower.
We do have a 1 hour SMT, but it's not where I would want it.
It's not too crazy.
Like 21, 340 around there, I would look for longs if I see a possible entry. But I'm done for the day anyways. I'm not taking any trades, but I'm just
21,314.
Yeah, like the 50% level of the range from today.
Yeah.
1 hour range. That's somewhere where I would look. Maybe there's a demand zone as well. And there's no demand zone. Okay. I mean, for the best risk to reward, I would wait for 21,212, but that's so far away still. So I don't know if we can hit that.
21,212. I mean, it's possible to drop for the day and then pump up.
Yeah, it's a valid demand zone though. Untouched demand zone. Just started using that as well. From Toby, bro, he's so good with it. The demand zones. And fundamentals are so bullish on Nasdaq as well.
Yeah. Just guess we just need some liquidity first.
Yeah, Shane, I made 1.5k on them. But I also blew 5 today as well. That was halfway done, you know?
Well, for challenge accounts though, right?
Yeah, challenge.
Just challenge, yeah.
On funded accounts, I go super low risk and just go for $200 a day. But if you think about it, if you have 5 accounts, $200 is still 1k, you know?
Bro.
What happened?
I'm $2 away. What the fuck? This fucking the commission.
Don't blow it now. Don't blow it now. Bro, you don't believe it. Last Friday, I was missing $20 to request 1.2k, and I blew the account in 20 minutes.
Damn, dude.
That's that's why I don't like accounts with consistency rule, you know, because I had my $100 day, but $20 were missing because of the consistency rule. That's the thing.
Shane said, did you say you passed 5 top steps today or halfway to the goal? I think he's halfway to the goal.
Yeah, halfway.
Yeah.
I could have been done today, you know. I had 5 accounts that was halfway already, but I blew them sadly today. And the thing is, I'm not even mad about the money. It's just the days that I'm losing, you know, where I could make real money. Like, fuck the $250. I don't care, but it's the day.
I passed. Jesus.
Nice. Good job.
1 contract.
1 micro or mini?
1 micro.
4, bro. For $2, 1 mini would be insane.
I fucking passed this one, guys. Finally. Fucking fuck.
How are you on payouts? How much you make?
I should have taken a payout when I was at 1.5k, and then I fucking blew it.
Bro, it happens. But that's like, I rather have that experience now exactly with me, last week with the $20, rather than being up like 20k, and then blowing the account because of $20, It's good to have the mistakes early in your journey. That's what I think.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, we can get it back again pretty easy, right? So
easy.
Technically, it doesn't matter that much.
Yeah.
But
Bro,
it does, because
it hurts, It's like, it's annoying.
Yeah, it fucking hurts. It hurts, but I'm like, God damn, what have I learned?
Yeah, and you're probably gonna do it again, till you really, like it's it's hard. We got a nice push.
It's
Maybe
a crazy push, yeah.
The SMT did hold, I guess.
Where's the SMT? Let me see.
If you, never mind. Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is. Oh no, it's no SMT. Sorry, I didn't.
No SMT.
Right. No SMT. No, maybe on the lower time frame, but 1 hour not. No. Or is it? Am I right?
No, on the lower either. Nothing
no,
yet.
No SMT.
Just chopping.
Yeah, I would wait for the next different SMT if you want to go down. But
oh man. But I still have 3 PA accounts on Apex. I just they were a little low on DD, so I'm gotta slowly build them back up. But
PA is past evaluation, right? Something like that.
You said what?
Past account or something, right? Like it's a funded account basically.
Yeah, I have 3 funded on
Nice.
Apex.
Nice.
But yeah, they're sitting in DD. So you ever had an account with like 500 of drawdown?
Yeah, a lot of times.
Yeah, what do you do there? Because I have 1 sitting there, but my other ones are pretty good. It's just that one I'm a little concerned about.
You want me to be honest? Yeah.
You fucking full leverage it at you.
Full leverage, $500 stop loss, 1 to 2. Either way, I'm up 1k or I lose it.
Fair enough.
But everyone always likes it, Like I don't know. For me, it's the best. Or even go for a 1-to-1, bro. Then you have 1k drawdown. But if you
right.
But the blow range is the blow rate is high, Like it's easy to blow it then. So.
Yeah, and I mean I have 2 other ones. Whatever, right?
For me, it's like, the mental stress of 500 drawdown is not worth what I could get with low risk, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like risking $50 a trade, and then I don't know, or maybe risk $100 a trade and go for 1 to 2s, and then see how it goes.
I was gonna do that, but damn, that's so slow. But I guess I mean it is long term, it's not short term, so
yeah. I mean, if you make $100 and go for 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, even you have it up in no time if you have a nice winning streak.
We're chopping up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might just do that. I was literally already thinking that. Just fucking risk maybe like the full 500 or maybe 300.
I mean, you don't have to go for a crazy high leverage trade, you know what I mean? You could go for, let's say, 3 micros or 2 micros, and you can still make a really nice trade out of it with a decent stop loss. Because if you make 1 mini, it's 20 points and the account is gone. So
yeah.
But on the other side, 20 points in your direction and the account is back alive. It's a gamble. It's the gamble. It's just what you prefer, I guess.
Gotta see what I prefer. I'm reading the Trading in the Zone. Who's the German guy?
Oh,
This is Ruben.
How are you doing true hand politics?
You can tell by his accent. I can't tell. I don't really know what German accents sound like or like Russian accents. I don't know what they sound like.
Russian accent has more like the R, you know, like they have a harder like R. If they say R or something like that, it's you hear it if you know.
Oh, it's kind of similar to Australian. Oh, you're German. That's why he's like.
Das
That
geht,
makes sense.
Dicker. Alles klar?
That makes sense. Man, we're just chopping. I guess we got to wait for this 4-hour open, guys. Gotta see what we want to do. So we tried to break past this 4-hour FEG. Rejected. At the same time, ES took out the Asia low.
Bro, I should have held my fucking gold longs on CFD. I legit sniped the low. But
You're
I'm
trying to
already
snipe
out.
the low?
No, I'm on gold. I did a trade today, but on CFDs.
Wow, gold is pumping.
Yeah, I made like 1%, so I'm fine.
Yeah, you know, somebody asked me yesterday what my bias was for gold, and I literally told him if we break above here, we could just start coming back up, and that's exactly what it's doing now.
Bro, I don't know if you remember, but yeah, you too. See you, bro. You remember when I first was in your stream and Shane asked for entry zone on gold? You remember that? Bro, I legit...
I remember.
I legit called him the bottom of the down move.
You said you did what?
I told him what was it? Like, I told him like 3,130, something like that, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's where we reversed.
Oh,
and
wow.
Went up.
That was perfect,
crazy.
huh? Let me see.
But I didn't take it, so it's like...
How did you know? How did he know? Shit. Was that your fib?
Yeah, fib. 70% level, kind of. That's what I was seeing.
How do you know which levels to play off of for the fib, whether it's the 50? Because sometimes it fully fills to the 100%. So that's when it does that, I get confused on if I should continue with my bias or not.
So it's like that. If we are in a really strong uptrend, and it's not like a slow move down, you know, it's like an aggressive move down, like really aggressive. If you go on the daily gold chart, for example, you can see the down move to that level was actually like we went to the 50% level, then we reversed, then we went down again, and that's why I thought we need to go lower than the 50% level.
Yeah.
So I don't know when we was in the call, but it was somewhere. Oh, you cannot see my screen, but whatever. But it's not an aggressive move down like 1 or 2 days. It's like 2 weeks down move, and that's where I decided kind of if we on an aggressive up move and then an aggressive spike down to the 50% level, I mostly take the 50% level because it's really fast and not slow. But if we on a slow move down, kind of, if that makes sense, it's more likely we fill more of the gap. If that makes it, it's just screen time, I would say. Like I use it for 2 years now, you know, so it's like, yeah.
Okay. I like it.
It's just like it's screen time, bro. That's it.
It's just screen time.
Yeah.
Damn. I used to stare at the screens all day, all night, and now I am like tired of staring at the screens.
Yeah, bro. Like for me, it's like, why would I do trading for freedom and not to have another 9 to 5?
Yeah, exactly. I'm not here to stare at the screens all day, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. It's supposed to be one and done. On for like an hour or two and then done. Go to whatever the hell I want.
That's why I like to trade Forex right now as well again, so I can make like swing trades.
I think my issue always with trading has been just, accepting the risk. And that's a big thing that you have always been able to do, seems like really a little more riskier than me. And this book I'm reading, Trading in the Zone, it literally says that in the beginning. Nobody is going to be a successful trader unless you can learn to accept the risk.
Yeah, I did read it a bit as well. Yeah, it's a good
Just
book.
gotta be okay with it.
I mean, you need to have, how can I say, like me, bro. I over leverage and full pot my challenges all the time. I wouldn't have blown 15 accounts if I would just normally trade them. But it's, for me, it's like the time I'm spending in the evaluation is not worth the stress and the money if I could just full pot it,
Yeah.
Because even though if I blow 100 accounts right now, the next 5 accounts I know I will make all the loss out of it, 100%, So that's how I think about it.
Yeah, I know a lot of people that do that. They just full port the evals literally for the same reason. And I mean, or they pass it in like 2 days, 20 cons or 30 cons with just a certain amount of points.
Yeah, I go for like 50 cons, 50 micros in the trades. Like I said, bro, full margin, full port, full risk. It's not even a 1-to-1 risk to reward if I hit a $2,000 drawdown or $1,500 TP. So I have a 0.8 RR. So it's statistically more likely I hit the TP, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's how I go on it. Yeah, Shane, bro. Why would you waste time there? Just full pot it. If you're new to trading, don't do this. If anyone is new here, but if you
Right, yeah. If you're new, definitely don't do that. Definitely just build that shit up slowly.
yeah, but if you have the pockets, I'd say if you have deep enough pockets and you can how can I say it? Can afford to lose some accounts, just full pot them. But just if you're like confident.
Yeah, I mean, you guys can buy some Apex accounts. They're like $30.
Use code. What's it?
Code Woo Trades or Trading Nut. Blow $30. That's fine.
Bro, just repeat. It's alright.
Yeah, just rinse and repeat. Really. I'm just gonna keep repeating that. I'm gonna add Instagram and TikTok on here soon. Really start building up. I'm totally down to be like business partners in the future. If you and Toby are down,
we can try to work something out. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Have a little Discord.
Yeah, I love to market too. I'm a marketer.
That's good then. Yeah. I know a bit of it. Like I know how to grow an account, and like my last Discord had 100 people in it in like 10 weeks. But it's just like asking people to join and shit. It's like, I don't know. I don't like to DM people, but that's what you kind of need to do, I would say.
Yeah, and I mean, some people want to join. They're like looking for it. So you already answered the question that they didn't even ask. So a lot of people are already thinking about it. So that's how I see it. At least.
The thing is about it. With normal trading content, you're not gonna grow a big group. It's just like that. You need to flex, bro. It's as dumb as it sounds, bro. No one's gonna join your group, or like, not the big mass of people is gonna join your group because you have nice trades. They join because you drive a Lambo. It's just how it is.
Exactly. And a lot of people join because they like how you are as a person, or they're just interested in you.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how it even is on fucking social media.
Yeah, that's how it is. Like they want the lifestyle you're living, kind of.
Yeah.
That's
exactly.
how it is.
That's how it is in the trading world. They see it and they want it.
Exactly, bro. All these core sellers, best believe I'd say 50% of the trading community core sellers is fake, and they don't make 5 figures a month usually, but they made it maybe one time and now they use it for marketing. That's how I view it, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good shit. Like this trading nut guy, he has like over 200,000 people on his YouTube. It's pretty insane that I'm even on here.
Yeah, bro, it's a good chance also for me. Thanks for inviting. It's like
Yeah, of course, no
good
problem.
promotion.
Yeah, that's what he said. He's like, it's a chance for you to grow yourself, grow me at the same time. Help you, help me.
Exactly. But is he doing it for a long time? Because he has two, or like, you know, not nothing against him or something, but you know, 11 viewers and then 200,000 subscribers. Is it like normal in the trading space? I don't even know. I never thought about it.
You said, is that normal?
Yeah, like because if you look at the ratio, 200,000 subscribers and then 11 people watching, you know what I mean? You get my point?
Oh, there are 46 people watching. There's 34 people on his Twitter, 11 people on his Trading Nut YouTube account. And then he has Twitch on here too.
Okay.
I think the most that has been on here that I've seen was about like 85, 90 people. Pretty crazy.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, pretty crazy. Imagine 90 people sitting in front of you in a classroom. Like, holy shit.
Yeah.
That's a fucking university college class.
I should have really held my longs, bro, on gold. I had legit the bottom of the range.
Oh, for gold?
I entered 3,212 on Forex charts, and I exited around 3,260. I did exit my position. So it was still a $40 move, but...
Wow, that was a huge move, bro. We closed above this resistance here.
Yeah.
I was even thinking about taking it, but I haven't traded gold in so long.
Fundamentally, we definitely long bias now.
Yeah, because there's this gap sitting here still on gold. Looks like it's trying to fill it here on the 4 hour.
That was my target. Yeah, that was my target. But I closed early. You know, I made enough profits from it.
Head and shoulders. What you talking about, Shane? For gold, inverse head and shoulders. I mean, yes, but I don't even trade those patterns anymore. I used to trade head and shoulders and shit like that, but I mean, I guess I could see it more as a confluence than an entry, but yeah, you're right. I mean, it's an inverse head and shoulders. But man, I used to trade head and shoulders a lot. You'd retest the right shoulder, drop, or go along.
We just made a new 4 hour.
Yeah.
Didn't even watch it.
Yeah, gold looks really good for these long. It's too late now. This would have been
too late. Yeah, it's too late.
Yeah, it's way too late. I would have entered after this 4 hour closure or the 30-minute closure. I would have really liked it to retest this low first, but I mean, not the low, but this high. But
we're so strong bullish right now.
Yeah,
such a big move up.
Very, very bullish.
I just got stopped out on. Oh no, I'm still in it, but I'm about to be stopped out.
Shit, I gave away a Apex account yesterday to Tony. I was like trying to get some shit moving in here. Yeah, so once he uses my affiliate, I'm just trying to get my affiliate started up.
Maybe post it on Instagram as well, like that you're giving away.
Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. But on here, I'll probably just use Trading Nuts. I don't want to take too much from him.
Yeah, understandable.
Let's see if we go. Man, what are we doing here in Q?
Yeah, it's pretty choppy.
So choppy.
If we get a SMT on the low on ES or NQ, I'm more long. If we get a good SMT with a reaction.
So that's another thing. I've been really trying to look up the SMTs because I see where it happens, but I never typically understand whether I should be bullish or bearish or which pair to really trade the SMT off of, you know?
Wait, let me.
If that even makes sense.
You wanna join Discord real quick? I can. Do you have a second monitor? I can screenshot for you real quick.
Oh, I mean, there's no SMT here, but
No, not yet.
no, not yet. But like, yeah, it's still the same.
So for the SMT, it needs to fit your bias, you know, because you have SMTs on both directions a lot of the times.
Right,
So
right, yeah.
let's say you're bullish for the day, yeah, and then we are Nasdaq right now. We are close to the 50% level. What I want to see now is either way a SMT from the up move candles. You know, the bottoms of the up move candles, you know, on the 1 hour chart, they are still lows in the lower time frame, you know. So you could use that for SMT. And then if you have the SMT on the higher time frame, you go to the 1 minute where you're at right now, and then you wait for a SMT there, kind of. You know what I mean?
Oh, I see.
So you go to the right there where you was on the left on the 1 hour. Go to the 1
Yeah.
hour again, please, one time, if you can.
Okay.
1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour.
Oh, for this one too? Okay.
Yeah, just go for both. And then you see the bottom of this on the left. No, go to the left, to the green candles, to the a lot green candles.
Oh, here.
Yeah. No, I mean like the left screen and then scroll to the left, kind of.
Oh.
Yeah, and then you see here, where you're at right now in this big uptrend, the lows of the 1 hour candles. They are still lows in the 1 hour time frame, kind of. Wait, you have a second monitor? I can show you on stream. I could show you on Discord, you know. I stream.
Yeah, right.
It's
I know.
easier.
You can show me later if it's
Alright.
easy. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Yeah, that works. Yeah, because I was looking that shit up and I'm like, okay, but nothing on YouTube tells me which way. It says, oh, it's a bullish SMT. Okay. So, which one?
It's a bit hard, yeah. But basically, you just go to points where you, for example, if you see a fair value gap somewhere and you say, okay, this looks good for me to look longs, take longs, yeah? And then you just wait inside of that zone for SMT to form. And that's like your confirmation.
I see what you're saying. Okay, so wait for the SMT inside of my level of entry, pretty much.
Yeah. For example, you know, fair value gap is formed out of 3 candles, yeah?
Yeah.
You have, and then you have in the middle is your fair value gap zone, right? Where you want price to go. And the third candle's low, you know what I mean? The third candle's low that connects to the other candle, that is a low on a lower time frame, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. So I'm gonna put this here on the 4. Let me come down to the 5.
And so, you see right now where you was at the high of this blue box, and that's a low on the lower time frame, kind of.
Yeah.
And that's where you could see a SMT. ES goes, or NQ goes into the fair value gap, and ES doesn't go into the fair value gap, and that's a SMT. You know, because NQ takes the low, taps into the fair value gap, and ES doesn't go into fair value gap, so it doesn't take that low, and that's the SMT basically.
Okay, I understand. It literally happened today too, because NQ took the Asia low first, but ES did not. So then I did see an SMT form, which did come down for ES2. So now we took both lows, and now I'm just waiting to see what we want to do now.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, I get it now. That makes more sense. Thank you, bro. You need to make some YouTube videos, bro.
Yeah, I'm too lazy. I can't lie. Not lazy for that.
Takes like 5 minutes.
Yeah, but I used to do it, bro. I still have the videos, I think, where I described it. Need to look. Maybe I can re-upload them again.
Well, maybe one day we'll just get on together and make some together.
Yeah.
I have a few on my YouTube of this strategy, New York Open strategy. I don't know if I have any FVG videos on there, but this New York Open strategy, oh man, it was hitting so well before Trump was in the office. I mean, it still hits really well, but now it's just,
Yeah.
it's more scalping.
It's like you don't get the really, really aggressive I mean, we still have aggressive moves on New York Open, of course, but Trump was something different. You know, it went up in your zone probably and then dropped 500 points. So it's like, it's, for me, it's also harder to catch like high quality long-term setups. But you know, demand and supply is really good for stuff like that, for long trades, like intraday, like 2-3 hours, 15-minute demand zones, bro. They are so good.
Yeah. And I tried those with gold too. I mean, I tried everything with gold. I tried demand zones. I tried breakouts. I didn't try FVGs because I didn't understand them at the time, but support and resistance. There's a lot.
Yeah, Toby is starting YouTube as well soon, and he's trading mostly supply and demand, and he's gonna make some really good videos. I'm sure. It's like he's mixing them with fundamentals, you know, like real fundamentals. Not like me. I use also fundamentals, but he's like a different level of fundamental trader, you know. He's gonna really.
Yeah, I see a lot of his trades on your Discord. He seems pretty good too. How long has he been trading?
I think 2 years as well. 2 years. Bro, this month he's up 20K. I think that says enough.
That says a lot about me.
20K, yeah.
But I did take a break. I took like a whole almost a year break.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine, bro. No need to rush the process, you know?
Yeah, no rush at all. I'm doing pretty great for coming back. It's only been like 4 months.
Shane, if you want, I can show it to you after the stream as well with the SMTs. If that's what you mean, I gotta watch this again. I can show you as well.
Yeah, that'd be dope. Because I already passed my account for the day, and I'm looking like I might be getting off soon because I'm not liking all this chop. Really choppy.
Yeah, maybe PM session, but
yeah, I think PM session will be better. Or sometimes as soon as I get off 11 a.m., it wants to do something, and I'm like, wow, okay. But
I mean, it's in 40 minutes. If you would like to stay, we can. But if not,
yeah, that's in 40 minutes. Let me see. Did I have anything to do today? I kind of forgot. Oh,
yo, can I also post my Discord in the chat?
In mine?
Yeah.
In this chat?
In this YouTube chat, or is it like?
What if we somehow merge and then that'll probably be a better option.
All right. I'm gonna talk to Toby later and see.
Okay. Yeah, talk to Toby, and then we can just start merging everything and start up some business practices.
So Nasdaq really be going up now.
We got to make this money work for us, man. Shit.
Exactly.
What made you take a break, and also did it help you regroup? I took a break because I just had a lot going on, and it was kind of taking a toll on my mental and affecting me in my trading. So yes, it did help me regroup in that sense, just because when you have so much shit going on in your life, and you got trading going on, it gets in the way of your analysis and your bias and your emotions and just all of it. And you start making stupid decisions because you're emotional, because you have so much going on the outside of trading, and then it brings all your emotions into trading. So I had to take a break. I had to step back for a little bit because I was making. I think I made like 5-6K last year, and then I started blowing funded accounts. I started losing money towards the end of the year because I was just there's a lot going on. There's a lot, but then I took a break, took a step back, and now I'm able to breathe a little bit more, a little better, think a little bit better. So yeah, if you got a lot of shit going on in your life, just take a break, bro. Like the markets, they're not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. They've been here since 1960s or something like that. I can't remember what time or what day the stock market actually started, but I know it was like way before 1980. But yeah, bro, just take a break, man. Just take a break. You'll thank yourself later. You will thank yourself later.
Facts, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not shit. I'll wait like 7 more minutes, see if this 30-minute open does anything. Because I don't see, there's no SMT still. There's no FVG. There's nothing.
I'm waiting for bearish SMT right now to occur.
Well, we're technically inside of this 4-hour FVG. That's probably why we're chopping up like this.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out if we want to break above it or.
I just need $5, to be on 1.5K. So I'm taking a small.
You need $5?
Yeah, well, it's easy. It's no hard feeling.
I swear, it's like so much harder when you need $10 to pass. I don't know why.
Yeah, I feel you. That's true. Actually, go for $10. Risk like 50.
How the hell did I end up? Okay, whatever. Man, only way I'm gonna take a fucking sell is if we break this low. But then we're right here near this low. We could form an SMT here.
Yeah, it's about your bias, bro.
Yeah, it's all about my bias. Yeah, I just gotta. My bias right now, it's my bias already pretty much played out. Now I don't know what it's gonna do because my bias was to take this Asia low, both London and Asia low. We already did it, so now I don't really know what my bias is.
Yeah, gotcha.
Because I can usually see my bias before New York Open, and then I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Honestly, my bias is shorts into longs, but
I was really. Yeah.
I thought we were gonna come lower, like come a bit lower, like you thought too. We still might, but not yet.
There we go, account passed. I was waiting for the high on Nasdaq 954 to get taken, and ES does not take it, and then I would have shorted. But
54?
Yeah, 54.
Oh wow, that's right there.
That's what I was kind of looking for, but we did not take that, and now I'm anyways past, so. Because if you look at the 15-minute candle, we made no bottom wick. Legit no bottom wick on the 50, or like a little one, if you can say it like that. And
up here. Okay.
I would want a little bit of a bottom wick, but
make like a top wick and then reject. Okay.
Yeah, but I would have wanted it to be done where we try to take that high. Now it's like I don't know if I would take it again,
Yeah, because we could just shoot through it. Honestly, that's really what I'm expecting. I'm expecting us to, because we're in this pretty much this range between that 562 and 112. It's a pretty big range because we're going from like smaller to bigger to even larger. Small consolidation. So I've seen this before on gold. Like I've seen this exact pattern on gold last year. Oh, it was when the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine, and this pattern started, and we shot through BSL here and then just continued up. We never fucking came back down. Never came back down.
There's like on the 15-minute we have a bearish SMT inside the first move down. So if we only if we break that, I'm really bullish again. But for now, I'm still bearish until we get a real SMT on the low.
Let's see if we even have enough data.
But I think we're gonna continue lower. I really wanted that SMT, bro, but it never came, sadly. Or did we just did it? No, we never did it. Okay. Never got the SMT, sadly. Would have been a nice move down.
Let's see.
Another thing with SMTs as well, SMT can also occur to make the retracement, you know? That's what I meant with you really have to have the right bias. I mean, you can still get a nice trade of a retracement, of course, but...
This is it.
Oh, you found it?
I think that's it, yeah. Well, here's one of them. Saw this huge move. This is a pattern. I think this is a I forgot what the hell this is called, but
Bull flag or something, maybe?
it's some type of wedge. Some type of wedge. Like, these patterns are crazy, man. Sometimes the patterns are really, really good. But yeah, I found that shit. It's a bat wing. Gold is crazy. I miss gold.
I mean, give it a try, bro. It's definitely...
Yeah, I might get back on it.
I enjoy it at the moment right now. Really good.
I love the way it moves. I'll say that.
It's just the thing. If you're on the right direction and you have a valid higher time frame entry, you can hold it for ages. You know. That's what I like about it. It's not like as stressful as Nasdaq where it drops down, low, drop.
Yeah, right. Yeah, NQ can get so fucking stressful, but at least gold, it respects a lot of shit. I've noticed, especially like breakouts. Oh man, I feel like NQ wicks more than anything. Fucking all these wicks, wick.
Definitely. I have a kind of new strat I'm using right now for forex, or not new strat. It's basically the same, but I use demand zones and supply zones, and then mix it with my Fibonacci and wait for SMT inside of there instead of a fair value gap, for example. That really worked pretty well today.
Are you using like fresh demand and supply zones or old ones?
Fresh, only fresh. And then on the 15-minute chart. And then you can, for example, mix it with opening gaps as well, you know, because that's a point where price is likely to go, because there's missed orders where the institutions still want to fill them. Yeah. For example,
supply demand zones, they're really good for like invalidation stop losses too, I think.
Definitely, yeah. Definitely. Yeah. I just started using them, so I'm not the best in it, like that. But like I said, Toby is using them a lot, you know, and that's why I also use them.
They're really helpful. Like on big movements, I used to use it gold only for the big movements though.
I mean, if you look at, for example, the daily chart on gold, and then the market is going from demand to supply zone, you know. But that's why you need the fundamental background to know which demand zone is good and which supply zone is good and where it makes sense. You need the demand zone is just where you could enter, and the fundamentals tell you the direction, basically.
Yeah, I'm literally looking at gold right now. I guess you could see this as either a demand zone or a reversal zone.
If you go at the 15-minute on gold, there's a pretty nice demand zone as well, where we formed the SMT and then rejected. If you go there, yeah, and then you see where the left red zone in the middle, kind of now. No. If you zoom a little bit in,
Yeah.
you see where it rejected today. You see
Yeah.
the demand zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. On the left a bit, right a little bit more. Sorry.
Right here.
Yeah, and there you see where it rejected in the demand zone, and we formed the SMT right there because silver took the Asia low and gold didn't, and then boom, you have your entry.
Oh, you use silver for your SMTs? You don't use the dollar?
No, always silver, bro. Silver's or euro XAU, but dollar I don't use now.
Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever heard anybody use the silver. Everybody always talks about using gold and the dollar. Wow.
No.
Okay.
Silver, bro.
Okay.
So I mean, I know a lot of people use dollar, but for me, silver is more accurate. And then you can see from yesterday's Asia low, the supply zone there.
Yeah.
It took the liquidity of the supply zone, but respected it, and then $80 move.
Yeah. Didn't close below it. Yeah, respected it.
And then we made
this little gap here.
Yeah.
We tested the gap.
That's what I mean with the opening gap, bro. It gives you even more because that's where big institutions want to continue their positions.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And that was a great setup. Like that was the best setup I had in a while. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah. Let's see how much this is.
It was like 70 points or something.
Yeah, like 77, just about.
Yeah. I entered like on the top of the demand zone, so I didn't have a perfect entry, but
shit, that's a lot for gold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's 2.5%, bro.
What's that in pips? Do you know?
70 pips.
Pips? That's it?
700. Oh, what do you mean, like pips? Like forex pips?
Like forex pips, yeah.
One is 10 pips, so 70 is 700 pips. Yeah.
Damn.
700 pips.
That's a lot.
But I didn't hold it all the way up. I'm gonna be real. Like 600 pips, I think I did, and then I took partials. Like I'm with this big moves. I never hold my position all the way up because we could always reverse, you know. So I rather take profits, you know.
Right. You don't hold runners like close.
Yeah, I do. Oh. Yeah, I do. But I was, bro, my 0.1 lot runner was up $200, you know. So I thought maybe actually, I had a runner for 0.05 and it was up $200, you know. So that's why I was like, fuck it, I closed it. Yeah.
Let's tap into that 1 hour supply zone on gold. If that's what you see as a supply, because this is definitely a pretty good supply zone.
Yeah, this is a supply zone. Toby explained to me. This is not a usual supply zone because normally it's the but if this is like a undecisive zone, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So they didn't know how to go up or down. Yeah, go on. And that's also a good supply zone, yeah. But it doesn't fit my bias. So that's why I wouldn't take it.
Because we could, I mean, shit, it looks like it's just wanting to fucking break through that damn thing, or a quick
Yeah.
scalp off of the supply zone and then pump up past it. But
I mean, we do have a. Oh, we don't have a SMT, no. Otherwise, this could have been nice. But we do have a break of structure, so our little scalp could be possible, yeah. But
yeah, that would be a good scalp.
I
Could
mean,
come
with
all the way back, but
decent risk. What's your stop loss here? 10
risky,
points.
risky.
Go for 20. But like I said, I don't think I would take that now.
We're trying to break out here. It looks like it.
But again, if you look at the 4-hour candle, bro, we have no bottom wick, you know?
For gold.
Yeah, so it could.
Yeah, very small. I mean, there's not much of a top wick either for the previous 4-hour. That's probably why there's not much of a bottom wick for the next 4-hour. Not much rejection going higher. It's just pushing.
I mean, what I would look for is this opening gap here on the 4-hour. That's kind of a zone I would be interested in if I would take shots, but
looks like we're trying to go bullish here.
On Nasdaq?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like 4 hours looking good.
Yeah, it is looking good. What's ES doing? Let's see.
Just no SMT, bro. That's the only thing.
Yeah, there's no SMT at all.
You sometimes you don't get a SMT, but on the really big moves, you always get SMT. Like on moves that last for like 10 days or something, or 5 days, or even 3 days, you always get SMT.
Damn, I'm not gonna be in it that long.
Like always, bro. Like trust me.
I don't even think.
A lot.
Can we swing trade on futures? I don't even think we can swing trade on futures.
No, you can't.
Yeah, no.
You can't hold overnight. That's why I bought a Forex account, you know, because I want to have like another. Bro, swing trades are passive income, if that makes sense. You know, it's like you don't have to check the chart. You just go one time in and then.
We could. Or we could be retesting. But I think I'm gonna be done for the day.
All right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Passed the account. I made a little bit of profits on my PA, very little. I think I'm gonna start risking a little bit more now.
Bro, you know what? One last thing. What I think always about, how much did you make? If you want to say it, like $50 to $100, something like that, $20.
Like $100.
Imagine how much you would need to work in a normal job for $100. That's a full day of working, you know. And you did it in 2 hours. Like it's enough, bro. It's for the work you're doing. It's
it's enough. It's enough. I mean, it's across 3 accounts, so pretty much 300. Pretty much, yeah. So,
bro, fucking I don't know, but a normal person is never gonna make $300 a day with a normal job.
In like 5 minutes, yeah, no,
exactly. It's okay. That's great.
There's gonna be trades every day. I'll catch a good one. Alrighty, dude. Are you gonna get on YouTube or not YouTube? Discord?
Yeah, I'm gonna come Discord real quick.
Okay, yeah, I'll get on Discord with you. All right, guys.
See you guys. Bye bye. Have a good one.
See you later. I'll see you on Discord, Ruben.
Yeah, in a sec.
Alrighty, guys. I will be back tomorrow. I'm not liking the markets anymore. It's pretty choppy. I don't really want to trade in this. I want to trade in clean movements. Okay, so if you guys want to join the Discord, you can definitely join the Discord. Hopefully me and Ruben and his partner can mash up soon and then have both Discords together. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Join the Discord. Don't forget to like the video. Make sure you're subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Definitely like the video if you like the content, everything that we have provided for you guys today. Hopefully some of you guys caught some good moves with me today. Had another winning day today. Yesterday was a good day as well. So hopefully tomorrow we can end the live stream off with another win. Okay, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're continuing to trade, be careful. Use stop loss. Wear condoms. No more kids are needed in this world. We have enough. Please go adopt. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.